When working with eHandbook Navigator, you can open several tabs. In each tab, you can modify the visible content by scrolling, zooming, or expanding blocks. In this interactive model, we will also apply the auto layout to one of the expanded blocks. In this function overview, we will expand one block and use the compact view feature for the other. Let us now exit and restart the application. After the restart, all these tabs will be restored and the content can be seen as before, restoring all the actions we have performed, including scrolling the content, zooming, expanding blocks, as well as applying different layouts and the compact view.